We up in the Philippines. Any questions, all you do is ask. You can get it right from Sass in the Philippines.
Good morning, guys. Today I'm cooking pork pochero. Our ingredients are pork belly, baked beans, tomato sauce, chickpea or garbanzos, beans. I use the snap beans, potatoes, banana. I use the plantain. I have a bok choy, cabbage, chorizo de balbao, tomato, onions, garlic, fish sauce, black pepper, and pork bouillon. Okay guys, let's go cooking. Alright guys, first thing we have to do is pan fry the bananas and potatoes. I got oil in there already. I think I have to put that all in there. That's enough. Okay guys, when it turns to this color, we can remove from the pot and set it aside. And now we can start sauteing the onions, the garlic, the rest of the ingredients. And we can add the tomato. Now we can add the pork. And we're gonna brown all sides. Let it saute for 2 minutes. Okay guys, at this point we can go ahead and add the chorizo de balbao, the tomato sauce, one tablespoon of patis, the black pepper, and the pork bouillon. Then we can add water. That's 2 cups. I think I have to put another one. Alright, I put 4 cups of water. And then we're gonna tenderize this one. Let it cook for 45 minutes to an hour. Okay guys, put the lid back on and cook it for 45 minutes to an hour. It depends how tough the meat. Okay, I'll be back. Alright guys, it's time to check. Is 45 minutes been simmering. So we have to check the meat if it is tender. Oh yeah, it's tender. Oh yeah. Okay. At this point, we can go ahead and add the pork and beans. The garbanzos or chickpea. Green beans. Potatoes. The banana. And let it simmer for a couple more minutes, and then we're going to add the cabbage and the bok choy. Okay guys, after a couple minutes we can go ahead and add the cabbage and the bok choy. Cook it for a couple more minutes, 2 minutes. It should be done. Two minutes up. It's done. It's ready to serve. Let's taste it first. If we need to add more salt and pepper. Need a little bit pepper. Okay, here we go. It's done, guys. Time to serve. It's time to eat. It's good stuff. Alright guys, hope you like it. Enjoy. Till next time.
Just act sass in the Philippines.